Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how to make those two bling canvas that you saw. So these are the items that we'll be using to do today's two canvas. And everything will be listed down below. So you know what time it is. It's time to grab your tea/coffee and a donut or a muffin with that. And let's get started. Alright everyone, we have our canvas here, which is 12 inches by 36 inches, and we will be using some molding paste to get some texture onto our canvas today. And you can get your canvas from Michael's or any craft store that's around. So we're just going to place our molding paste all over the canvas, and then we're just going to smooth it out right across. And if today is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on and seeing what I have to share with you today. And I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you'll become part of the Glamster team. And I hope you give me a thumbs up. That would be so nice. And to my oldies and goodies, thank you guys for coming on and seeing the DIY I have to share with you today. I really appreciate you guys. And I will be using this wide tooth comb to add some texture to our molding paste. You could use anything that you have to add texture to your paste. You don't have to go out and buy the craft items that they use to do it. You can get your own supplies that you can find around your home, and the comb is plastic. Okay, here is how the texture looks, and I'm just going to set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, so our paste is all dry now, and we are just going to add some silver acrylic paint. I have two shades, one dark and one light, and I have this paintbrush that I got from the Dollar Tree. So all I'm doing is just brushing on the paint onto our canvas. And when I'm done, I'm just going to set it aside and let the paint dry for a few hours. And now our paint is all dry, and I also painted the side of our canvas with the silver paint, just brushed it over it lightly. Okay, now we are going to use some of this self-adhesive acrylic mirrors that I got on Amazon. And make sure when you're purchasing these, you get the ones that are cuttable. Some you can cut and some you cannot cut. So I buy the ones that are cuttable, and then I cut them into these strips here and some into triangles. So we're just gonna place them onto our canvas. And now I'm going to use some E6000 and glue down our shapes to our canvas. Now there's a foam on the front and on the back. I'll be taking off the back piece, and it comes with a sticker, but it won't stick enough for me, so I'm just adding some E6000 and place them down on our canvas. For this piece here, I cut a little piece out of the plastic. I'll show you for what in a minute. Okay, the part that I cut out, I'll be placing this shape right there. So when I'm ready to peel off the foam, the little plastic that's covering it, I don't have any trouble because I already cut out the piece that I'm gluing over. Okay, this is our first canvas, and then I have another canvas over there that I did because it's 2 wall decor, so that's the second one. Now your girl is going to try something new to put down the crushed glass this time, which I'm using this epoxy resin clear. Yeah, you know, I'm trying this. Try something new. I used the Mod Podge, I used the glue. Now I'm going to try this. So you just follow the instructions and mix them together, which I did. And now I'm just going to pour them into the places where I want the crushed glass to go. I got my resin from Michael's. Yes, I did. And it does not have a high smell. That's why I ordered it. I guess some of them have a high smell, but this one said it didn't, and it doesn't, ladies. It doesn't. The ones I got from Michael, it doesn't have a high scent. So this one I'm using. And when you use the epoxy resin thing, I'll just have less steps to do. I won't have to go back over with another coat of Mod Podge, let it dry, go back over, and I'll be adding this pink glitter that I got from Michael's also to our decor. And like I was saying, I don't have to go back over the decor again. It's just one step, let it dry overnight, and that's it. So like I said, I'll be placing it everywhere I want to place the crushed glass with some glitter. So now we're using the clear crushed glass, placing it down, and I'll be using some silver glitter over the clear crushed glass. Okay, when I'm finished adding our crushed glass to our decor, I have to let it sit overnight for the resin to dry, because it says to let it dry for 24 hours. Alright everyone, it's the next day, and here is our glam canvases. Both of them here are sitting down and they're both dry. Don't they look nice? So now your girl's going to use her X-Acto knife and take off the clear plastic off of our mirror sheets. Okay, I will be using some large command strips to hang up our canvases that I get from Walmart. And here are how the command strips are placed on the back of our canvas. I use 6 of them. And here is our decor up on the wall. I love how they turned out. I love the mirrors, the glitter, the crushed glass. Everything looks just so nice put together. I love how it turned out. And you can see the texture on our canvas because of the molding paste. I love it. Looks absolutely beautiful. And see how the glitter and the crushed glass shines more by using the resin, because you don't have to put anything, no coat over it or nothing, and there's no foliage or anything. Everything is just sealed in. Looks absolutely beautiful. And I don't have all those steps that I used to do, but I will still use my Mod Podge. I will not give that up. But this resin thing, it's neat. It's really neat to use. They are two lovely canvas paintings, and you could use your own colors. You could use your own shade of crushed glass with your glitter, and you have an easy and inexpensive piece of wall decor for your home. And you plus to it is you make it yourself. You have fun while you're sitting there doing it. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's two canvas paintings with mirrors and crushed glass. Yeah, leave your comment down below and tell me what you think about them. And if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell to become part of our Glamster team. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIY. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up. Yeah, press that like button. Give me that big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone. I need